Hello there! In this video, you will learn how to completely hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch. It is the ultimate trick to get your smartwatch running perfectly again, so let's dive right in. To hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch, simply press and hold both buttons on your watch simultaneously. Keep holding them until the watch restarts and the rebooting screen appears. As soon as you see that, quickly press and release the home button multiple times until you enter reboot mode. From here, press the home button to navigate through the menu options until recovery is selected. Now, press and hold the home button, and your watch will restart once again. Next, press the back button to navigate through the new screen. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press the home button to confirm. It will ask for confirmation again, so press the back button to navigate to Factory Data Reset and press the home button one last time. Keep in mind, this will completely erase all of your data. Boom, you have now successfully completed a hard reset on your watch. Once you do this, you may sometimes face challenges connecting your watch back to your phone. But don't worry, just check out our other video on how to easily connect your watch back to your phone. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Want to show some extra love? Hit that thanks button. Additionally, you can also read the detailed article on this topic on our website. Link is in the description below.